Hello, this video is for online assignment number 6. There are 2 parts and 2 Google documents that you're going to need to use for this assignment. Part 1, the students are going to watch 2 different videos and answer the questions pertaining to each video on the Google Doc provided. Part 2, the students are going to read the Design Elements PowerPoint and complete the assignment on the Google Doc. So here are your 2 Google documents. The first one with the videos, and your second one with your PowerPoint. And what you're going to have to do is draw a concept map on the bottom that resembles one that is online. So let's go to Project Lead the Way, Lesson B, Design Process. You are going to, once again, read this introduction. You're going to click here and watch the design process presentation. It'll show up right on your page. Okay. And when you read that, or you watch that, you are going to answer the questions from the video. What is design? What is the design process? Those are 2 that you're going to answer. When you get done with that, we'll scroll down here to Design Squad. Design Squad, you're going to have to click and you're going to watch another video. That'll take you to another page. Once the page opens up, you can just click on Random Video and pull up a video for you to watch. Those videos are probably anywhere between 2 and 5 minutes long. You will then answer the questions. What video did you watch? In your own words, describe the problem challenge, list the criteria and constraints that were given for the design. Once you're done with that, we move on to the next session. Activity B2, Design Elements. So here's your Google Doc for that. Okay. You're going to once again read your introduction. You'll then come down to the Design Elements PowerPoint, and you will read through that. And then once again, it shows concept map, and there's your concept map. You can draw the concept map so that it matches the one online. Okay. Once you are done with that, you do not have to worry about the conclusion. If you have any questions, send me comments or email me. Thank you very much.